There are many decisions to consider when you're looking for the right ERP system for your business. Probably the biggest decision is whether to go with an on-premise ERP or a cloud ERP SaaS ERP. Let's take a look at the differences and examine the advantages and disadvantages of each type. On-premise or hosted ERP software are installed on your computers and servers owned by your company. It gets managed by your own IT employees. Cloud-based software is hosted entirely on secure, reliable, and scalable servers by the software vendor, leveraging secure and top-notch cloud infrastructure, managed by highly qualified experts, advanced automation, and evolving AI capabilities to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Your organization and its members can now securely access your cloud-based ERP system, such as ePromise, from any location and on any device, including smartphones. This allows for convenient and efficient access to your ERP system at all times. The type of ERP system you select can have a major impact on your company's efficiency, structure, and bottom line. An on-premise ERP requires investments in computer hardware, facilities, data security measures, and tech employees. Additions of hardware and staff may be necessary to grow the system based on your ever-changing business needs and market trends. And updating your on-premise software can be a time-consuming and complex process. Often, the promised updates by these on-premise solution providers never see the light of day, leaving you, the customer, stranded with old technology. Customers are therefore exposed to competition and the fast pace of innovation in the marketplace. With a cloud-based ERP, you don't need to procure hardware and invest in other additional IT resources. That means you can get it running faster and grow the system faster if you need to. And updates happen automatically for a true cloud ERP, also known as SaaS ERP. So that's one less thing you need to keep track of. Overall, cloud-based ERP enables you to invest less in cumbersome infrastructure and overhead, and more on the things that really matter for growing your business. You can now concentrate on what you do best and allow a true cloud ERP vendor like ePromise to help you achieve your goal. ePromise helps businesses around the globe be smart and do business better by using our flagship cloud software, ePromise Future Gen Enterprise Cloud. An innovative, secure, integrated, customizable, flexible, and an always up-to-date global cloud platform. To learn more about ePromise Future Gen Enterprise Cloud, contact us now.